and hacks out here right now. We are in the 21st century, baby. Celebrity stylists are dropping the jewels. They're letting all of the secrets out of the box now. So if you want to look cute, you can look cute. Even if you gotta be bougie on a budget. You get as a prime example. I'm a student, but check me out. Come in here. Check me out. Okay? So if I can do it, you can do it. What's up? It's your girl Tishalita. Y'all already know Tishalita. Hey, hey, hey. If you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world. And if you guys are accustomed to me, what's up? How you doing? Welcome back. So listen, it got a lot going on right now. And I'm serving you guys energy. I'm serving you guys personality. Okay? I can change your mood, trust me. So hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified every time you get upload a new video. And yeah, I ain't wearing no nails right now. How to soak them out, but they'll be back. They'll be back, y'all. Don't judge me. Yeah. In today's video, we're gonna do a little unboxing. So I'm a bit late on when I just post, simply because I had one of my wigs to unbox and then I was waiting for the second one. And I like, you know, it would make more sense if I just had like at least 2 wigs that I can show you guys. So yeah, that's that on that. So that's the reason why. But you get him, okay? I am. So yes, ladies, I don't tell you guys, I'm your very godmother, okay? Melanin godmother to be exact. Yes. So I'm here to drop the jewels on my ladies, okay? This is what we're doing. So enough chit chat, let's get into these wigs. So our first wig is coming to you from, so let me just let you guys know, for this wig I have already opened it and I cut the lace. So I'm just letting you guys know that for this one. Inside of the wig had a wig cap. Within the wig sack have another wig sack. And this is the wig, y'all. This is the wig. So I went for a wig with single braids. I mean, they have different names, we all call them. So this is the look. So the braids look very realistic. These are the ends. I smell my wigs. This wig has 3 combs. I don't know, let me get up in here. See them? Okay. They have 3 combs, adjustable straps. The lace in itself was a bit lighter and I put foundation on it. So it was just a little bit lighter than this and I added foundation. This is how the front of the hair look. This is the design. I'm gonna try on this wig for you guys to see how it looks on me. And I'll just be right back. And this is the wig, y'all. You see it? Oh! Look at this wig. I'm serving you chocolate, baby. Chocolate. Oh. First things first. What I did not like about this wig is that it do not have a comb at the back here. With all of my wigs, I like my wigs to have the comb in the back here. Even though we're going to secure the wig, you must secure the wig, sis, okay? We ain't going to be hanging around here like, no, we're going to secure the wig, of course. But even though I like to have the comb on the back, it'll feel more secure. You know, it'll feel more, I mean, they got 3 combs here, here, and here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one in the back here. I know this, but this, I don't know. But that's what's going on. That's the one thing I didn't like about it. Okay? So, let me just show you guys the hairline. This is the hairline. This wig is just, you know, I just got it put on, teen stick on or anything. Okay, are you going to fix the hairline to your liking for it to look as realistic as possible? It got certain people that leave it like this, or they got people who just put it out, spin the little touches on it. So everybody is different. You cannot go wrong with single braids. You just cannot. This wig can be worn for any occasion. Trust me. I mean, your girlfriends tell you, sis, we're going out, we're going to eat, we're going to a restaurant. You have meetings to go to. You got to go to school. But it has everything. Any occasion, you can use this wig. I wanted to get my hair done. I wanted to get my hair braided. But I just didn't want to sit down and get it too. That's the wig. I mean, I'm serving you guys pretty much forehead. Ooh. Forehead. But it's okay. You know what they say about girls with big forehead. I don't know neither. I thought you was going to tell me what they say about girls with big forehead. I thought you knew the answer. I don't know the answer. I mean, come on now. I don't know.
I'll kiss you on your forehead. You better stop playing with me. Hey, when we get home, I'm going to kiss you on your forehead.
So our second wig is by Style Icon. And it came in this box. The style name is HT Gianna. And it's in the color 1B. So I bought another black wig. They give me a pair of lashes. But check the cap a minute. I got a cap. And this is the wig. This is the hair texture. And this wig has 3 combs as well. Adjustable straps. And this is the parting. And you see the color of the lace. Alright, so let me just switch it up and try on this wig for you guys to see how it looks. I'll be right back. And this is our second wig. This wig has 3 combs. So here, here, and right there. What can I say? I look at mad crazy on your screen right now because I did not cut out the lace. So the lace is still on. You know, I would have to just darken it just a little bit. As you guys can see here, I would have to just darken it a little bit. I want you guys to know both wigs are synthetic wigs. So it's up to you to maintain, take care of your wigs the best way that you can. Let me just put that one out there. This video is not sponsored. I'm just dropping the juice for you guys and putting you on to some cute little Amazon wigs, okay? Now check out this wig a little bit. Look at the hairline. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Ladies, I'm giving you the jewels, okay? I got you, baby. Okay, if you can afford $250, $500, even $800 to $1,000 on an installation, bundles, or anything, you work hard for it, sis, and you deserve it. You deserve it, and you deserve to spoil yourself. But for my ladies who don't have it like that and still want to slay, you can. We are in the 21st century and have too many hacks right now for you to not, you know, be cute. For you to not be cute, okay? Where there's a will, there's a way. I do not want nobody or none of my ladies to feel like all hope is gone. Even if you're working and you have responsibilities, or you are a student, or whatsoever, you can't buy affordable wigs. It's up to you to know how to rock them. Y'all already know. Tell a friend to tell a friend, to tell your mother, to tell your aunt, to tell your male friend, and he can tell his girlfriend that Tishalita dropped the jewels. Get your wig, sis. Get your wig. So y'all already know it's your girl Tishalita. Tishalita. Hey. If you haven't as yet, smash the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and be a part of all of this. Okay, love you guys and see you on the next video. Bye.